Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Slack integrations for enhanced productivity step by step clearly. Open your Slack application on your computer or mobile device. Navigate to the left-hand sidebar and locate the Apps section. Click on Browse Slack Apps to explore available integrations. Use the search bar to find a specific app or browse through categories for inspiration. Once you find an app you'd like to integrate, click on it to view more details. Review the app description and any user ratings to ensure it meets your needs. If satisfied, click on the Install or Add to Slack button. You may be prompted to grant permissions for the app to access your Slack workspace. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Some apps may require additional setup, such as linking accounts or configuring settings. Make sure to customize any settings as needed to optimize the app for your workflow. After installation, you can find the app in the Apps section of your sidebar. To use the app, click its icon and explore the features it offers. Integrate the app into your daily routines by using commands or shortcuts provided. For example, if you install a project management tool, you can create tasks directly from Slack. Encourage team members to adopt the new tool for a streamlined experience. Monitor your productivity levels to assess the impact of the integration. Stay informed about new features or updates from the apps you use. Consider revisiting the app directory periodically to discover additional integrations. Experiment with different tools until you find the perfect combination for your team's needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.